Going back to Word application software, this is the environment of MS Word as you can see in your monitor. We will walk through on the elements of each environment. So do not be confused, students, with the versions that you have in MS Word. I actually used MS Word 2010. And so, I am going to identify the elements of Microsoft Word as you can see on its environment. So we will start with the top portion. So here, as you can see, in this uppermost left corner, you can see the icon of Microsoft Word, the diskette, the arrow from your left side and right side. These are called the quick access toolbar. So it is, you can easily or quickly access some of the toolbars or icons that you may use in editing, in formatting, and managing your document. So next, here, as you can see, we have Document 2, Microsoft Word Production Activation Failed. This part here is called the title bar. It is where you can easily locate the title or the name of the file that you have been created. So this is the title bar. And here, in the upper right corner of the environment, you have seen 3 icons. These are called the control buttons. So this one is called the close button. This is called the restore button, and this is called the minimize button. If you're going to click restore button, as you can see, the document or the environment is shrinking. So for you to maximize it, you're going to click maximize button. Okay. Next, here we have here the different tabs. So this one, this is called file tab. File tab is separated from the different tabs here because this is an element. This is not a tab or a ribbon. So home, insert, down to view tab, these are called ribbon tabs. So file tab is different from those ribbon tabs given. So again, this is the file tab, another element where you can easily save as, open, close, create a new blank document, you can print, you can save or send, so on and so forth. Then going back to the ribbon tabs, here, in each ribbon tab, you will have groups and commands. As you can see, we have here below the heading one of the group, which is the clipboard group. Inside the clipboard group, there are commands. So example, this is the command under the clipboard group: paste, cut, copy, format, painter. And in the font group, under home tab, we have different commands as you can see. Next, in the paragraph, we have different also commands, and in the style group, we have different also commands, so on and so forth. So meaning to say, in each ribbon tab, we have different groups and commands. So for example, in insert tab, we have pages group, tables group, illustrations group, links, header and footer, text, symbols. In page layout, we have themes, page setup group, page background, paragraph, arrange, and references, We have table of contents group, footnote, citation and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities. In mailings, we have create group, start mail merge, write insert fields group, preview results, and finish. In review tab, we have proofing group, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. And in the view group, we have document views, show, zoom, window, and macros. So in our subject, we are going to discuss each of these ribbon tabs given and how are we going to use it. So anyway, we're going to have that one during our formatting and editing your document. So let's proceed now to another element. Another element is this one. Have you seen numbers here with different lines, small lines? These are called ruler. So it where exactly identify the margin of your document. And here at the side we have also ruler. So it will tell what margin that you are using, and you can easily edit your margin by just pointing this arrow here for you to change the margin. So as you can see, this is 1 inch, and then if you're going to change it into ½ inch, you can easily change the margin for this into ½ inch. And so proceed for the next element. Here, as you can see, we have here this long bar here. This is called the scroll bar, vertical scroll bar. Why is it vertical? Because you can scroll this one vertically, of course. Okay, and so here, next element, it is this band paper here where there is a paragraph being typed. This is called the document area. This is where you can actually type your file to be created or your document to be created. So next part or next element is this. Have you seen this page 1 of 1, word 71? This is called the status bar. Status bar means you can easily identify how many pages that you have been used when you have been created your document. At the same time, how many words that you actually typed in a document. So example, I only have 1 page for this document. The title is Microsoft Word, and I typed 71 words in this document. So this is the status bar. And next, we have here this print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline layout, the draft layout. These 5 buttons here, these are called view buttons. It is where you can actually change the views of your document. So in this document here, the view for this is print layout view. So if you want to change that one to another view, you can have it is full screen reading. You can easily change it. So as you can see, the document is being changed into view full screen reading, So next, it depends upon to you if what kind of view that you are going to choose. And these views can also be located under the view tab. Okay, here. you can locate that one below, and then or you can locate that one under the view tab here on document views. Okay, so next element is the zoom level and the zoom slider. As you can see here, we have here the zoom level percentage and this bar here in which you can actually change the zoom percentage of your document. So the standard zoom percentage is 100 and the highest zoom percentage is 500. So the normal view for that is 100. So you can zoom that one lesser than 60 or less than 100. It's up to you how you're going to change the zoom percentage of your document, as long as you can see what are those things that you have typed in your document area. So those are the elements of Microsoft Word environment. So we're going to repeat. So this one here is called the quick access toolbar. This one here is the title bar. Actually, you can change the title bar if you are going to save this file. Next, these are the control buttons. Next, this one is the file tab, in which this is an element, not a tab. Home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, and view are called ribbon tabs, and each ribbon tabs we have called groups and commands. Groups are different from commands. Okay, next, this one here, ruler. This one here, the bond paper, which is the document area. This one here is the scroll bar for you to move easily your document to the next page. This one here is the status bar. Next here is the the view button, in which you can change the views of your document. And the last one is the zoom level and the zoom slider. So I hope you have been taking down your notes and learned a lot on the elements of Microsoft Word. At the same time, you have been learned how to open the Microsoft Word with 3 different ways. Okay, so next time we will discuss another topic in which we're going to edit, format your document. Thank you and have a nice day.